Here's a look at that storm system that's going to be moving toward our area. Right now it's centered over Oklahoma. It's spreading some heavy rain through sections of Missouri and through areas of the Ohio Valley. Snow and ice on the northwestern side of that storm system, and that's what we're going to be dealing with through tomorrow. So for tonight, we'll have a mixed precipitation advancing northward. Around Alpena, likely to stay mainly snow, where we're seeing the shading in pink. That's where there's a greater potential of ice, mainly south of Alpena through Alcona, Iosco, and Ogama counties. Near Saginaw Bay, there may briefly be a period of rain tonight, but we'll have temperatures dropping, and that will cause a changeover to snow to shift farther to the south. Then around midday tomorrow, a bit of a lull, not quite as intense during the middle of the day. Into the evening and nighttime hours, we're going to get a second round of some heavier snow. There is a potential for some sleet mixing in closer to Saginaw Bay, but this will be mostly a snow event, and this is when the majority of the snow will fall, Saturday evening into Saturday night. Still dealing with some steady snow during the early hours of Sunday, but as the day goes on, drier conditions will move in for the end of the weekend. We have 2 rounds of heavier snow to get through early on Saturday, and that's when we have that icy mix setting up for areas south of Alpena. Then another round of some heavier snow beginning in the late afternoon south of Alpena. In Alpena, that's going to be during the evening and nighttime hours. The greatest risk of ice will be close to and south of M72. The exact storm track is going to dictate the transition zone between snow and ice. Most of us will be looking at 6 to 12 inches of snow by the time this is all done early on Sunday. That's for all of the areas shaded in yellow. That includes most of Alcona County and points towards the north through Presque Isle County over towards Montmorency County. For the areas shaded in pink, because there's the potential for some greater ice amounts, snowfall amounts will be a little bit less, 3 to 8 inches, with generally lower snowfall amounts to the south and higher snowfall amounts to the north in that pink area. So for tonight, a wintry mix moving in around Alpena, likely mainly snow, but as you go through Alcona County and into Iosco County, that's where we'll have that potential for freezing rain and sleet, creating some icy conditions during the early morning hours of Saturday. Low temperatures near 24 degrees in Alpena, 30 degrees in Oscoda, and tomorrow it's going to be a snowy day, just a lull in the middle of the day, but we have that second round of snow moving in for the evening and nighttime hours. Highs near 27 degrees in Alpena and 31 degrees in Oscoda. Blustery winds out of the northeast around 20 miles per hour. So tomorrow is going to be stormy with snow for just about everywhere in northeast Michigan, and that risk of ice greater as you go southward closer to Saginaw Bay. Some early snow on Sunday, then dry conditions moving in. High temperatures near 20 degrees, up to 30 degrees for Monday. A chance for a few flurries early, but nothing major is expected on Monday. For Tuesday, we'll have a chance of snow showers into the afternoon and evening. Maybe a little bit of mixed precipitation because of high temperatures getting into the middle 30s. Then Wednesday, we should start with dry conditions, but a chance of snow in the evening and nighttime hours. Highs near 34 degrees, then becoming colder towards the end of next week. Highs in the middle 20s on Thursday with a few early flurries possible. Cloudy skies on Friday and high temperatures close to 20 degrees.